Hello and welcome back, my smart learners. If you've ever asked yourself, can I really learn English by myself? The answer is a big, powerful, and confident yes, absolutely. Many English speakers around the world didn't begin with a classroom or private tutor. They learned on their own terms through consistent efforts and smart strategies. Today, I'm going to take you deep into how to learn English on your own in a clear, logical, and powerful way. You don't need expensive courses or perfect conditions. You only need smart methods, real motivation, and actions taken every single day. So, are you ready to start? Let's jump in. 1. Create a learning environment around you. Learning English alone becomes much easier when you build an environment that surrounds you with English throughout the day. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can create your own English-friendly space. Change your phone and computer settings to English. Label everyday items like door, mirror, fridge, and remote with sticky notes. Follow English YouTubers or influencers who talk about topics you enjoy. Watch movies or videos with subtitles, then slowly try watching without them. Listen to English songs and read along with the lyrics. When English is part of your daily surroundings, your brain starts to absorb it naturally, without even trying. This constant exposure helps you feel more comfortable and removes the fear of the language. 2. Set clear, personal goals. Without a goal, it's easy to feel lost. That's why it's important to know exactly why you're learning English. Ask yourself, do I want to pass a test, travel confidently, or get a better job? Write that reason down and keep it visible. Then break that big goal into smaller weekly targets. For example, learn 10 new words this week, or watch 3 short videos and summarize them. These mini goals give you a sense of progress and keep you motivated. Clear goals act like a map. They tell you where you're going and how to get there. That structure gives your learning more meaning and makes your progress more powerful. 3. Build a daily routine, even just 15 minutes. You don't need to study for hours. You just need to be consistent. A short, focused routine of 15 to 30 minutes. Each day is often more effective than studying for hours once a week. For example, in the morning, you could listen to an English podcast while having breakfast. In the afternoon, repeat 3 new phrases out loud. And in the evening, write a few sentences about your day in English. Use reminders or habit tracker apps to stay on track. The key is to build the habit. What you do every day becomes part of your lifestyle, and that's when real improvement begins. 4. Speak from day one, even alone. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is waiting too long to start speaking. The best time to speak is now. Even if it's just to yourself, talk to the mirror. Describe your actions. Say things like, I'm brushing my teeth. Or, now I'm making coffee. You can also record yourself and listen. This helps your brain, your mouth, and your ears work together. The more you speak, the faster your fluency grows. It's okay to make mistakes. What matters most is that you're speaking and thinking in English from the beginning. 5. Learn vocabulary in context, not just word lists. Memorizing word lists might feel productive, but the words are often forgotten quickly. Instead, learn vocabulary in context. For example, don't just memorize request, learn the full phrase, "Can I make a request?" Instead of just delicious, try "This pizza is delicious." This method teaches you how words are used in real situations. It helps you understand grammar, pronunciation, and sentence rhythm. Collect phrases from videos, songs, or conversations, and write them down. Practice using them in your own sentences. This makes your vocabulary come alive and easier to remember. 6. Practice listening daily. Train your ear. Listening daily is key, even if you don't understand every word. Your brain learns by exposure. Try listening to English podcasts, YouTube channels, or music for just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Use subtitles at first, then challenge yourself without them. The shadowing technique works well. Listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it with the same tone and rhythm. This trains your pronunciation, listening skills, and fluency. Over time, your ears adjust to different accents and speeds, and understanding English becomes easier and more natural. 7. Read like a detective, with purpose. Reading improves your grammar and vocabulary, but only when done actively. Choose simple materials, children's books, English blogs, or news for learners. As you read, underline new words. Notice how sentences are formed. Look for patterns in verb tenses and connectors. Try to guess the meaning before using a dictionary. Then write a short summary or tell someone what you read. This deeper level of engagement makes learning stick and helps you build real comprehension skills. 8. Write every day, even short notes. Help. Writing helps you think in English, which is essential for fluency. Start small. Write 5 to 10 sentences each day. Keep a daily journal. Today I went for a walk. It was sunny. I felt happy. Write your to-do lists or shopping lists in English. Try posting a short message or comment on social media. Then use tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT to check your sentences and learn from your mistakes. Writing daily makes grammar more familiar, builds vocabulary, and improves your ability to express thoughts clearly. 9. Use smart apps and tools wisely. Learning alone doesn't mean learning without support. Use the technology around you, but use it wisely. Duolingo is great for daily word practice. Anki or Quizlet lets you create flashcards with your own sentences. Use Youglish to hear how words sound in real-life speech. ChatGPT can help you write, ask questions, or practice conversation. Elsa Speak can improve your pronunciation. These tools make learning more flexible and interactive. Just remember, they are tools to support your journey, not to replace active speaking and writing. 10. Teach what you learn. Explain it out loud. One of the fastest ways to learn is to teach. After learning something new, explain it to yourself, a friend, or even to your pet. For example, today I learned reliable. It means someone you can trust. I can say, he is reliable because he always arrives on time. Teaching forces your brain to organize and process information. It shows you what you really understand and what you need to review. You can also post your explanations online or record a short video to share what you've learned. Teaching isn't just about helping others. It's about helping yourself remember and grow. Final message for you. Learning English on your own isn't about loneliness. It's about empowerment. You are in charge of what you study, how you practice, and when you speak. With consistent, smart action, you'll grow steadily. Learning 15 minutes a day, every day, transforms into real progress over time. So start now. Speak to yourself. Write those lines. List those words. And embrace English as your personal project. Your mind is capable of learning more than you realize. You're more capable, more consistent, more determined than ever. Keep going. Keep striving. Keep growing. I'll see you in the next smart lesson. And remember, you are your best teacher.